Hey guys, what's good? I'm Praveen and this is the beautiful Nair here. It's about keeping it very simple as possible, at the same time sticking to the plan to the perfection that you get the best results possible. So we've got something really great here. It's about some salad. So let's go and have a look.
1 cup raw papaya shredded, it's 1 whole chopped tomatoes, half a small cucumber chopped, one cup coriander leaves, 1 small cup roasted peanuts, 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice, half a tablespoon chili flakes, that's as per your choice, 1 tablespoon green olives, and last but not the least, rock salt. Hi guys, so your spicy, flavorful pad thai salad is ready. This salad is loaded with vitamins, potassium, flavonoids, all these stuff which has healthy enzymes.
And the good thing is that it has got some really good amount of fiber that is going to make your digestive system even more better. So please do subscribe and share the channel with your friends and family. We will look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.
Thank you.